Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sand and reseason if all else fails. Use sandpaper to lightly scrub away the dirty layer of wood. You'll need to reseason the spoon before using it again. To reseason, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Wipe the spoon with a neutral oil like grapeseed or mineral oil, and place in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes.
Take our lead.
Mold, mildew, food that's not been washed out fully and has stained the wood, but probably mold or mildew. To avoid, don't soak wooden utensils. Wash immediately after you use them or leave them in the counter instead of the sink.
Take our lead.
If your wooden spoons or cutting board start to look dry or don't feel super smooth, periodically rub them with mineral oil or a beeswax compound. Don't use food-based oil like vegetable or olive oil, since these types of oils can go rancid.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Coconut oil, refined, virgin or non-processed. Because of its high saturated fat content, it is slow to oxidize and is therefore resistant to rancidification. That said, there are reports of boards that have been treated with coconut oil beginning to smell after a long period of time.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.